going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at an undisclosed secret auction location with some new vehicles for you today. Let's jump into this with number one on my list. A 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with 41,000 miles on the odometer. I had one of these not too long ago. It wasn't a Sahara, it was just a base model, but still I had one. And it was great. It really was. It was a great vehicle until I added a lift kit and big tires. And after that, it never rode the same again. So, I understand a lot of people love putting the lift and they love putting the big wheels and tires, and to each their own. But for me, it didn't work out very well. It didn't work out very well at all. We were never happy with it again, and we got rid of it pretty quick. It ended up with death wobble, and we went back to the original size tires and wheels, and that didn't help. Obviously, something with the lift kit just didn't work out well. But stock like this with road tires, with street tires, the damn thing rode like a car. I swear to you, it rode like a car. It didn't ride like a Jeep. It felt great. It never felt like it was going to tip over or anything. It was a wonderful vehicle. Automatic, obviously, 4x4. Believe it or not, these do come in manual transmissions. Let's turn that off. Diarrhea, that's great. That's what everybody wants to talk about, right? Let's talk about diarrhea. Nobody wants to hear that on the radio. It's 4:40, it's almost 5 o'clock. Everybody's getting off work. Nobody wants to hear about diarrhea on their ride home from work. Anyway, this is nice. This is nice. I like it, of course. Air conditioning is ice cold. Everything's going to work. Super low miles. Put it in gear. Yep. No issue there. Reverse. Nice little backup camera. Works great. There's not going to be much to show on this. I mean, it's low miles and it's new. One of the things I really like about it is instead of the soft top, it comes with that hard top. You got your Freedom tops right here. They come right off. This back portion's a little more difficult, but you can take this whole back section off too. Of course, the doors come off if you want to take the doors off. It's a super versatile vehicle, very capable, and in my opinion, the best version of this comes with street tires, a good set of Michelins. I drove mine through one of the nastiest snowstorms we had out here in a long time. And I'm here to tell you, it handled the snowstorms great. Oh, it's a 2.0. I thought this was the V6. It's the little turbo. The little 2-liter turbo. Look at that little Garrett turbocharger right there. Well, for sure, she's been taken off-road, which is, I mean, that's what it's made for, right? It's made to go off-road, and it's made to get out and play. I'm telling you, these tires right here are very, very capable tires. These are Bridgestone. I had Michelins. I had no issues with the Michelins at all. I was truly surprised at how well the factory street tires did in the snow and the ice. They worked out very, very well for me. Very happy with them. These tires are a little worn. They'll probably need to be replaced. Take a look at the back. Not bad. It smells good. It looks good. It runs good. Air conditioning, man. Let's put that GoPro in front. Oh, do you guys feel that AC? You don't? I got to, man. I got to stick the GoPro in front of it from time to time, or the GoPro will overheat and it will start acting really, really bad. Can't open that too far, but got some type of a bag or a cover back here. A little storage cart down there, and the door hinges. You can put your door hinges, all your bolts and stuff here, your windshield bolts. You can line them all up and sit them right here so you don't lose them. It's a versatile vehicle, guys. It is. I really do love it. I love me a Jeep, man. I kind of miss mine, but Jessica doesn't want another one. She's had enough. She's had her fill. She doesn't want any more. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think I'm not really into the 2.0 turbo. I would much rather have the V6. Or maybe the Eco Diesel. It runs fine. I'm sure it gets down the road just fine, but Yeah, I think, and the Eco Diesel I've heard has had lots of problems. There's lots of issues with the Eco Diesels. So, yeah. I just prefer the naturally aspirated 3.6 that they put in all of these. I think is probably the best motor. Let's move on to the next one, the Harley Davidson. Next on my list, we got a 2008 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition. I've had a couple of these. I'm not certain if this is supercharged or not. I know that they used to be, because one of the ones I had was supercharged. This is the 105-year anniversary edition. It's got the orange. It's got big Harley Davidson across the back, but I don't think this is supercharged, guys. I'm pretty sure that by 2008, they did away with that. But we'll pop the hood here in just a second and find out. She needs tires pretty badly. She took a pretty good scrape across the side. This is all aluminum. It's got scrapes, scratches, and dents, and lots of hail damage as well. So she's pretty rough, guys, but for a work truck, what better work truck could you get than a Harley Davidson edition, man? Even dinged up, it's still a super cool truck. It's been used for work already, so you don't have to worry about, oh, thank God. You don't have to worry about messing it up or anything. You don't have to worry about dings and dents. Ooh, whoo, boy. Oh, wow. That's something. That is something. The cracked windshield, cracked dashboard, the tint is peeling, the seats are destroyed. This is a great work truck. Someone left the ignition on. They left the ignition on to kill it for you. That was nice. That was nice. It's just like with any auction, guys. Sometimes people come out here and they mess around and, you know, oops. I guess somebody could have forgot to. They could have just closed the hood up on it, walked away and just totally forgot. Or it could just have or there is a possibility it could have a bad battery. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Wow, I don't even want to put my booster pack on that. Obviously, this is not supercharged. I'm assuming it's a 4.6. I guess it could be a 5.3. Honestly, don't know. It says it could be a 4.2. It's not a 4.2. Come on. A 4.2. Get out of here. It's a 5.4. She's a 5.4. 5.4 Triton. Tried and true. The best of the best. No, not really. Not really. We'll go ahead and throw a jump on it real quick. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, we got the GB150 connected. I guarantee you, if it runs, it's going to start it right up. And that's something also I wanted to point out is not everything out here runs and drives. Most of it does. But there are some cars out here that need some serious mechanical work. Oh, she sounds good. Sounds like a misfire, though. Aside from the misfire, sounds good. What do we got on the dash? TPMS light, airbag light. It sounds like the misfire's trying to smooth out. It is. It is. She's smoothing out. There we go. There we go. She smoothed out. All right. Boy, she's rough though, guys. This one is... She goes into gear. Boy, she's got some miles on her too, guys. I don't know if I told you that, but it's got like 240,000 miles on the odometer. Let's see if we close this door, if it'll give us... It won't. Yeah, I don't know how to get out of all of that stuff. I don't remember. It's been a long time. And the Harley Davidsons that I had were not this new either. This is just... This poor thing. It's missing the pillar covers on both sides. Windshield's busted. I mean, it's just... She's in rough shape, guys. I am curious. What would something like this even sell for? I honest to God, I wouldn't give much for it personally. See if the AC works. I mean, it's worth something because it's a truck and it runs and drives, but I mean, it is so torn up. I don't see there being very much value in it. I don't know. Me personally, it's like, if I was interested in buying this, I might give $3,000 for it, $2,500 to $3,000. It's super high miles. It's super, super tore up. The AC works, which is good. The window works, which is also good. Let's click that unlock there, and I'm gonna leave this door open because I don't trust it. I don't want it to lock on me. See what it looks like back here. Oh, there's some pieces, some plastics. One of the pillar covers is there. I guess you got to push this in or something. There we go. That seat's not too bad. Headliner's good. She's just real rough. It's too rough for me. Like, to fix this thing up would be, it would be costly. Tailgate is a little weak. You can feel the handle on this side is trying to come apart. But she sounds good. Listen to that exhaust. She runs good, but she's challenged. She's challenged. Hopefully the alternator's charging. It is 14.3. So we can take this off. She don't need it anymore. The engine runs great. Transmission, that's anyone's guess. Your guess is as good as mine on that. I'm gonna let her run for just a little bit, charge up that battery, so that hopefully, you know, the next person that comes out here and wants to check it out, maybe they don't have a jump pack with them, and you know, they'll be able to check it out, hear it run and all that good stuff. It really does run well. It does. The AC is great. There's no check engine light or anything on the dash. You rev it up. She sounds healthy. She does. She sounds healthy. And that AC, man, whoo, that is some good air conditioning. What do you guys think? I think for me, this is not going to be one I'm interested in bidding on. So we're going to move on to the next one. Last on my list, how about a Ford F-350 with a 6.7 power choke diesel? Ambience. Oh man, not every day you find something like this for sale. I'm thinking about throwing a bid on it. What do you guys think? I have absolutely no use for it. I don't know what I would ever do with something like this. But it's just something that would be fun to have, you know? Travel around in an ambulance. I actually called it an ambulance. An ambulance, it comes equipped with everything. Like, this thing has it all, guys. You got your jump seats. You got your, it's not called a gurney, is it? I think that's what it's called. These seats are super cushioned. Look at this. Like, these are made for this heavy-duty suspension. I don't know what all that is. It obviously doesn't come with, you know, needles and all of that stuff. But, I mean, wow. I don't know the first thing about an ambulance. I'm just saying, this is pretty cool, though. This is pretty cool. I don't want to think about the people that's had to be in that chair there. I don't want to think about that. But, man, what would you do with something like this? Get yourself in trouble, probably. It's got a backup camera. That's real nice. Of course, it's a dually. I guess this is just a side entrance and exit. It is. Boy, those doors are super heavy. Lots of storage. I mean, if you could get past the fact, there's your batteries, that people have been very sick and possibly passed on in this, if you could get past all of that, I'm thinking camper van. I'm thinking this could be an awesome RV. I don't know. I don't know. I'd probably be a little creeped out being back there, honestly, because you know bad things happen back there. Bad things have happened back there. Oh, she's got 232,000 miles on the odometer. She runs great. You got all your buttons here. Safety vision. There's going to be your backup camera right there. That's a nice big screen, adjustable. Door ajar, compartment ajar, battery low voltage master, primary, secondary siren horn, rear load, right floodlights, left flood, off and on, I guess. Hell, I don't know. There's your radio, breaker 10-4, breaker. No, I'm not gonna mess with that because, you know, I don't want to get in trouble. But wow. Yeah, this thing is super cool, guys. Super cool. I don't know if the lights work, but I'd sure like to find out, huh? No, we got no flashing lights, man. I wonder if they disabled them or something. Those lights, there's the lights. There they are. That's what I was looking for right there. There's your lights. They work. Okay. All right, I want this. I want this. How much do you think something like this could? Probably way out of my price range. Way out of my price range. If I really want to, I've got about 50 grand I can use. I just don't know if I'd want to use it on an ambulance, like really. It is cool though. It is cool. Let's turn, hopefully that turned them off. It did. There's an air conditioning unit to air condition the back. That is really nice. Let's pop the hood. It's got good tires. It sounds like it's running great. High mileage, but you gotta imagine these things have been exceptionally well maintained. Well, she looks a little dirty. She's seen some use. Honestly though, sounds great. Sounds really good. Let's see if we got any warning lights on. Now that it's been running a minute, other than low fuel, there's not. Steering feels good. Brakes feel good. Reverse. Goes right into drive. AC is ice cold. Yeah. Yeah, there's your siren and everything. You turn all this on. I'm not going to mess with that. I don't want to, you know, woo. I'm not trying to do that. They might not like that. But you even got a trailer brake. It's got 4-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Are you kidding? This thing's 4x4 too? Oh my goodness. Could you imagine taking this off-road? Oh, you'd get stuck. I don't care. 4x4, and you get stuck in this. This thing is so heavy. You would get stuck in this. The great thing about it, though, is it still smells new. I can't explain. You guys would have to be in here to smell it, but it still has that new car smell to it. And it's got like 250,000 miles on it. This thing is awesome. I'm not going to lie. I really like this. I want this. I want this. I don't think I should have it. I would probably get myself in trouble, as I did with the police car. When I had that police car, I got in a bit of trouble with that one as well. Police showed up at my door, and I was told I could be arrested for my shenanigans. Thankfully, they let me off with a warning. Yeah, I could see myself totally getting in trouble with this. Comment below, tell me what you think of the ambulance, guys. I'm going to get out of here. It's the last one on the list, so we are done. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate that as well. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.